Okay, Apple is going crazy with putting great computers for us in very budget so that we don't need big money to get into OSX. But with Windows, I can just expand whenever I want. Well, OSX is smooth and juicy, but Windows is vast and super customizable for video enthusiasts like you and me. Whether we are hobbyists or professionals, we will take a closer look and analyze the silly but not that silly anymore, that epic argument. We will learn about few amazing visual production or VJ software that has only OSX version. But if you go for Apple devices, spoiler alert, you might miss the big ones. So let's fire up the epic argument once again in this episode of All About Stage Shows. So there are many software which are OSX exclusive. That means only Mac user can access them. Many of them are intuitive, cool and awesome software. Let's take a closer look at the software you will be missing if you are not going for OSX. HeavyM, a powerful and a flexible VJ software that allows you to mix and manipulate video and audio in real time. It features an intuitive interface and support with wide range of hardware and software. HeavyM have been very popular software and pioneered in many features. I have not personally used HeavyM, but I have my friend who have been pushing me to get into HeavyM soon. Maybe someday. Modulate, a software known for its ease of use and flexibility. It allows you to create stunning visual effects in live performances using a wide range of tools and effects. Modulate also had been published in the market for long. To be honest, I don't see this software has hope or future. Or else, the creators who made such software would not leave it like that forever. Please GarageCube, wake up and prove me wrong. There are a few more OSX exclusive softwares such as Resolume. This software is designed for audiovisual performances and allows you to create complex visual effects and sequences. It features a wide range of tools and effects, can be used for everything from live concert to installations. Mix Emergency. This software is designed for VJs and allows you to create stunning visual effects to accompany your music. QLab. This software allows you to create complex audio and visual sequences that features a wide range of crazy tools and awesome effects. Whoa! This software is designed for real-time audio-visual processing and allows you to create stunning performances including awesome FFGLs that make animations in real time. So far, I have put a list of software that are only there in OSX. Now, let's take out the big guns and oh yes, we will need Windows to run them. Okay, if you want to go big, visually and production-wise, you will have to start talking from Disguise. Disguise is a real-time production platform for live events, concerts and shows. It allows VJs and production team to create and manipulate visual content in real time and sync it with other elements of live performance such as lighting, audio, SFX, laser and a lot of other things. Not only live shows and production, these guys have been dominating in the world of virtual production where it's expanding every day. Speaking of bigger players in the industry, here is another vintage one, Dataton Watch Out. It's a software solution created multi-display content for large-scale events and installation. It allows AV engineers to synchronize and control multiple displays, sound system and special effects, and it supports a wide range of media formats. As I mentioned before, the world of Windows is vast, so not only big fishes. Let's check out what are the comparatively smaller tools available in Windows for us. Vioso is a multi-projector, edge blending and warping software that's ideal for creating immersive projection mapping experiences. It allows VJs to easily warp and blend multiple projector images, creating seamless displays. Hypotizer is a real-time video server and media manipulation engine used to live events, concert and installation. It is also known for its flexibility, scalability, and reliability, used by some of the professionals and mostly the video enthusiasts worldwide. Notch VFX is a real-time graphic creation tool used in video production. It allows designers and artists to create and render high-quality 3D visual effects and animation all in real time. Okay, truth be told, there had been a time when OSX was dominating with all creative visual software, but slowly and gradually all creative software companies came to realization and sooner or later they released Windows support. Same thing happened with few software who released Windows version first, then gradually released OSX support. Now let's take a look at the software which are compatible with both Windows and OSX. Synthesia. This software is perfect for audiovisual performances and it allows you to create dynamic visualization that are synchronized to your music. With a sweet interface and powerful customization features, Synthesia is great for VJs of all skill levels. Open Frameworks. This is a free open source toolkit for creative coding. That means you can use it to create your own custom VJ software. With a wide range of tools and libraries, Open Frameworks is perfect for artists and developers who want to build something truly unique. So I really pray and hope Open Frameworks stays open forever. They don't receive an investment from the bald guys. Isadora. This software is great for creating interactive performances and installations because it allows you to control your visuals using wide range of input tools such as cameras, microphones, and sensors. MadMapper. This software is all about awesome projection mapping, which means it allows you to project your video or visual onto complex surfaces such as buildings, sculptures, and more. With their recent additions such as MadLight and MadLaser, they have just gone crazy. Let me know in the comment below if you want me to make some videos specifically on MadLight, MadLaser, or Awesome MadMapper. I will be happy to make that video and share with you. Archaos Grand VJ, the grandpa of all, a powerful software for mixing and manipulating videos in real time. Oh, not to forget, Archaos Grand VJ is a grandpa of all VJ software. They were the pioneer. So, respect pa. HeavyM. This awesome software is designed for projection mapping and allows you to create immersive visual environments with your own media files or the files built in. I recently got into HeavyM and fell in love with the ease of use and the ROI, means the return of investment. The amount of time and effort you invest in HeavyM versus the return of awesomeness. It's huge. So I'm going to leave a discount code in the description below for HeavyM. This is just for you so that you get to try the awesome software I'm talking about. Resolume Arena and Avenue. This software is perfect for VJs who want to create high-energy, immersive performances synchronized with the music. With the support of multiple layers, effects, transitions, as well as advanced audio reactive features, Resolume is a versatile tool that can be used in everything from nightclubs to art installations. My main channel has tons of Resolume Arena and Avenue tutorials and tips. So I'm going to leave a link to my channel in the description where you can find tons of Resolume tutorials. But if you want to start it properly, you should start here. Touch Designer. This software is all about creating real-time interactive experiences with a powerful node-based interface and a wide range of tools and a big library, and even important, a huge community who are constantly sharing their ideas. Touch Designer can do anything you want. Most importantly, this is free as long as you are using it non-commercially. So just go and download it. We can always use Windows software on a Mac using Bootcamp, or use OSX on a PC using Hackintosh or some kind of it. I personally have had a great experience using Windows on a MacBook Pro, where I got to use the nicest and optimized hardware in a MacBook Pro and used all Windows exclusive software on it. All performed perfect. But those situations are not covered in this video, maybe some other day. Hi, my name is Zunaid Sabbir Ahmed. I'm from a beautiful country called Bangladesh. Check out this video next where I explain what 4 things you must have to start VJing today.